The growing demand for reliable travel shoes isn't just for tourists. Even traveling typists and gamers heading to esports tournaments need optimal comfort. This guide evaluates the best options on the market, uniquely evaluating each shoe's switch type equivalent, cushion response, build quality, layout, fit and design, and overall value to keep your feet perfectly supported on every single journey.
Product number 1. Reef Neptune Women's Shoe. Lightweight and breathable stretch knit upper. Soft cushion footbed. When it comes to conquering airport terminals or exploring cobblestone streets, the Reef Neptune Women's Shoe stands out as an exceptional companion. Featuring a lightweight and breathable stretch knit upper, this shoe perfectly contours to the shape of your foot, providing a custom-like fit that eliminates pinching and blisters. The standout feature is its ultra-soft cushion footbed, which acts like a premium mechanical switch, offering responsive, bouncy feedback with every single step you take. This high-rebound cushioning significantly reduces foot fatigue during long travel days. The slip-on design ensures breeze-through security checks, while the durable outsole provides excellent traction on both wet and dry surfaces. Its minimalist, sleek aesthetic easily pairs with leggings, jeans, or summer dresses, making it highly versatile for any packing list. If you prioritize maximum ventilation and effortless style in your travel wardrobe, the Reef Neptune offers unparalleled value and build quality, guaranteeing your feet remain cool, comfortable, and well-supported, no matter where your itinerary takes you.
Product number 2. Skechers Women's Go Walk Joy Slip-On Sneaker. The Skechers Women's Go Walk Joy Slip-On Sneaker is a legendary staple in the travel footwear market, renowned for delivering cloud-like comfort right out of the box. Engineered with Skechers' innovative 5-gen cushioning and the Goga Max high rebound insole, walking in these feels incredibly responsive and supportive. The shoe's layout features a highly flexible mesh upper that expands with your foot, accommodating natural swelling that often occurs during long-haul flights. Its feather-light construction means it won't weigh down your luggage, while the laceless slip-on profile makes airport security a completely frictionless experience. The build quality is surprisingly robust for such a lightweight sneaker, holding up beautifully to daily miles on varying urban terrains. Aesthetically, it boasts a clean, athletic look that fits perfectly into a casual travel wardrobe. For women seeking an affordable, tried-and-true walking shoe that prioritizes immense comfort and ease of use over complex lacing systems, the Go Walk Joy represents incredible value for globetrotters everywhere.
Product number 3. Adidas Women's VL Court 3.0 Shoe. For the fashion-conscious traveler who refuses to sacrifice comfort for style, the Adidas Women's VL Court 3.0 shoe perfectly bridges the gap. This classic skate-inspired sneaker features a smooth suede or leather upper that elevates any travel outfit, effortlessly transitioning from daytime sightseeing to casual evening dinners. Inside, the shoe boasts an Ortholite sock liner that provides reliable, consistent underfoot support and cushioning, acting as a sturdy foundation for miles of walking. The traditional lace-up layout ensures a secure, customizable fit, while the vulcanized rubber outsole delivers outstanding durability and grip on diverse surfaces. While slightly heavier than mesh slip-ons, its premium build quality ensures longevity, making it a fantastic long-term investment. The T-toe design adds a touch of retro flair that remains timelessly stylish. For travelers who want a versatile, durable, and highly fashionable sneaker that pairs just as flawlessly with tailored trousers as it does with denim, the VL Court 3.0 is a stellar high-value choice.
Product number 4. Skechers Women's Wilshire BLVD Bellevue Sneakers. The Skechers Women's Wilshire BLVD Bellevue sneakers offer a sophisticated twist on traditional travel footwear, combining chic urban aesthetics with the brand's signature comfort technologies. Designed with a sleek premium upper, these sneakers provide a slightly more structured layout compared to basic mesh slip-ons, giving you elevated support for long days of exploring museums or navigating city transit. The interior is equipped with an air-cooled memory foam insole, which adapts to your specific foot shape while regulating temperature, a crucial feature for warm weather trips. The build quality is exceptional, featuring reinforced stitching and a durable outsole that absorbs impact efficiently. The stylish wedge-like silhouette adds a subtle lift without compromising stability, making them incredibly versatile for both day and night itineraries. If you need a shoe that masks its athletic-level comfort behind a polished, fashion-forward exterior, the Bellevue sneaker delivers immense value, ensuring you never look out of place while prioritizing your physical comfort on the road.
Product number 5. Reebok Princess sneakers for women, comfortable walking or tennis women's shoes. The Reebok Princess sneakers are a timeless classic that continue to dominate the travel footwear category due to their minimalist charm and enduring comfort. Featuring a synthetic leather upper, these shoes provide a clean, streamlined layout that resists scuffs and wipes clean effortlessly, a massive bonus when dealing with the unpredictable grime of travel. The build quality emphasizes lightweight flexibility, supported by an EVA midsole that absorbs shock and cushions every stride. The soft terry lining absorbs moisture, keeping your feet dry during intense walking tours or impromptu tennis matches. Its low-cut design promotes excellent ankle mobility, while the high-abrasion rubber outsole guarantees reliable traction. The classic lace-up system offers a secure fit tailored to your preference. Offering an unbeatable blend of retro aesthetics, robust durability, and lightweight comfort, the Reebok Princess represents fantastic value. It is the quintessential all-rounder for women who appreciate heritage style and demand reliable performance from their travel wardrobe.
Product number 6. Teosabon Women's Athletic Walking Shoes Slip-On Casual Mesh Comfortable Tennis Workout Sneakers. Rounding out our list is the wildly popular Teosabon Women's Athletic Walking Shoe, a budget-friendly powerhouse designed for ultimate travel convenience. This shoe utilizes a highly breathable knit mesh upper that acts like a second skin, offering a spacious and flexible layout that accommodates all foot shapes comfortably. The elastic collar ensures a snug sock-like fit that allows for instant slip-on action, making them a dream for airport security lines or quick runs to the hotel lobby. The thick Phylon outsole provides excellent bounce and shock absorption, mimicking the responsive feel of high-end athletic gear. Despite its incredibly affordable price tag, the build quality is impressive, utilizing eco-friendly materials that hold up well to rigorous daily wear. Extremely lightweight and easy to pack, they take up minimal space in a suitcase. For the practical traveler seeking maximum airflow, zero-fuss wearability, and outstanding value without breaking the bank, the Teosabon walking shoes are an absolutely essential addition to your luggage.
The perfect travel shoe ultimately comes down to balancing your specific itinerary with your personal style. Whether you need the airy flexibility of the Reef Neptune, the fashion-forward edge of the Adidas VL Court 3.0, or the budget-friendly convenience of the TO7 slip-ons, this list offers something for everyone. Prioritize a supportive layout and durable build quality to ensure your feet stay happy, allowing you to focus entirely on making unforgettable travel memories.